Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Good day, everyone, and very warm welcome to English with Ajo Pete. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here. Today, we're going to explore a rather important point in English grammar, the difference between these and those. To make it lively and memorable, we'll be learning with farm animals. Imagine yourself on a bright country morning, standing by the cows in the meadow or pointing to the horses across the field. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to say with confidence, these are cows and those are horses. So let's begin our journey together. This, we use it for things you can touch or that are right next to you. For example, these are horses. These are horses. Those, we use it for things that are far away and you have to point at. Example, those are cows. Those are cows. Now it's your turn. Look at the animals and choose this or those. Rabbits. Those are rabbits. Brilliant. Goats. These are goats. Splendid work. Pigs. These are pigs. Jolly good. Sheep. Those are sheep. Splendid work. Cows. These are cows. Way to go. Chickens. These are chickens. Good show. Hens. Those are hens. Well done. Chicks. Those are chicks. Smashing effort. Turkeys. These are turkeys. Fantastic. Horses. Those are horses. Amazing. Donkeys. Those are monkeys. Top marks. Ducks. These are ducks. Brilliant. Roosters. Those are roosters. Splendid work. Bulls. Those are bulls. Splendid work. Magnificent effort today, everyone. We've learned how to use these and those with farm animals. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel perfectly natural. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time on English with Ajo Pete. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Cheers, guys!